Number 2.
Eyes first. Put the eyes. That one. What color, baby? Yellow? Okay. You copy this one.
What's her favorite color? Yellow? Is it?
I thought pink.
Sunshine yellow. I thought it was
Oh,
pink.
good.
Isn't it still pink?
Yeah.
Are you going to be a pink Tinkerbell?
Another yellow. There you go. Oh, green.
Oh, I love green. You got one green and one yellow? Cool.
Oh, wow, she did it. Where's the nose?
Cool.
Where's the nose? Oh, no. Up here. Okay.
Did you put the nose where the eye goes?
No, down on the, yeah.
In the mouth?
In the mouth, yeah. Okay, then put the mouth. Okay, the lips like that.
Number
The lips, right
3. Oh, I'll wait till you. Yeah, here is this guy. Put a mouth. Like raisins on a mouth, okay?
You put more mouth.
Daddy can't eat this candy.
Just one. Yeah.
Last year I know he said, "Where's candy?" Well, it wouldn't hurt if it's just one.
Yeah. This is fun. The other one. Okay, like this.
So he's going to have to help me every year because I don't like doing it alone.
Okay. You did it.
Last week I had to send them to my kids. Michigan, Bellingham, Iowa, San Diego.
There's a lot. You do this
every year.
Blueberry.
They can't wait for Halloween to get their cookies. Oh, this is beautiful mouth. I love that mouth. Blue eyes. I love blue eyes. Very pretty.
The nose.
And a nose. Good job, Zoe. Okay.
Up here, baby.
Time for the mailman. Let's see.
Okay. Looks like cross eyes. Wow, you're doing good. Up to there, up to the cheek, baby. Up to there too.
Thanks for watching.